Nakuha sang proper talok. For 2, no good. Number 15, Guyapa. Guyapa dribbling the ball. Pass to Malones. Back to number 15, Guyapa. To number 16, to number 31. Number 31.
Shot clock 14.
No good.
Outside. Shot clock.
19. Pass to Galong Alay for 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. Blocked by number 22. Dimisana. Dimisana. Pass to Malones.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 12 seconds.
Seven minutes and for 3 points. Wala. Ngalungalay.
Shot
Number
clock
15.
14.
Intercepted by Dimisana of the DBI Bowlers. Number 15.
Shot clock 14.
Traveling.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Ay, mas matagdag.
Number 19. Dribbling the ball. Foul. Number 40. Malones. Malones, first personal foul. Number 15 for 2. Wala. Rebound by number 30. Pass to Dimisana. Dimisana. Pass to Malones. Malones for 2. Wala. Rebound by Dimisana. 2 points, Dimisana.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 15 seconds to play. 14
Number
shot clock.
19. Pass to Ngaluanay. Back to number 19.
10 shot clock.
To number 15. Ngalunganay for 3. No good. Rebound by Dimisana. Foul. Committed by number 15 of Proper Talok. Remaining time 4 minutes and 58 seconds to play. Number 15. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Tumira ng dos. Wala. Rebound by number
13 shot
15.
clock.
Ngalunganay. No good. Nakuha ni Dimisana of BBI Bowlers. Omapas. Omapas dribbling the ball. Traveling. 4 minutes and 27 seconds to play. The first quarter. Number 19. Pass to number 15. Intercepted by number 40. Malones. Malones. No good. Nakuha ni Malones. Tumira ng dos. Wala.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 5 seconds to play.
Bola sang Proper Talok. Ngalungalay. Nakuha na number
13
19.
shot clock.
No good. Foul. Number 30.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 45 seconds to play.
First personal foul. Number 30.
3 minutes and 45 seconds. 3 minutes. 3.
Number 71. First free throw attempt. Count. Pasok. 2 out of 2. Umapas. Number 31, dribbling the ball. Pass to Malones.
14 shot left.
Malones to number 13.
Outside. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 32 seconds to play.
Ngalay, no good. Same ball. Timeout. Proper talok.